selfishness, happiness. That's what she gives. No happiness, only sadness and fallenness.
My house rent is another big challenge I'm facing now. Vera told me that the landlord was here yesterday. How I wish the man will understand my predicament.
Every day, heaven knows I try to make it work, but it seems she never for me. Happiness is
Have you seen the barrister?
No,
Why?
I will see him. I'll go and see him.
Well, he's here to see you.
What? Where is he?
He's outside.
Okay, please tell him that I'm not around. Why are you laughing?
You want me to lie because you're running away from your responsibility? Huh? Go and see him because I already told him that you're around. If you like, hide. I told him you're around.
You told him?
Yes.
Why now? Why?
Why not?
Why would you do a thing like that?
Why not? Why are you running away from your responsibility? Come out and see him.
How am I going to tell this?
Why is he wasting my time now? I thought the wife said it's inside.
Barrister, you're welcome. You're here. I'm so sorry that I did not come as I promised. I was trying to run around for some money to at least to gather some money and come and see you.
Listen. I am tired of your long stories. Is that clear? I am sick and tired of your troubles. I have just come here to tell you to pack out of my client's apartment with immediate effect.
Barrister, are you going to eject me from this house just like that?
How else do you want me to eject you? No, tell me.
Barrister, please, just give me little time, okay? Just give me little time to get this money. I'll come and pay up.
I don't need a dime anymore from you. We don't need a dime from you. Just pack out. Look, let me tell you. If after 1 week you are still here, I'm sorry you will face court actions. Is that clear? Do I make myself clear?
So, let me find cola for you now. No.
Where is the barrister?
He's gone.
Okay, so what did he say?
He said we should pack out from this house with immediate effect. Or we face court action.
Well, you have to pay him. Yes, pay! Because I'm not ready to leave this house. I'm not going anywhere.
Vera, there is no money.
Borrow! Go and borrow. What is your problem? What kind of a man are you? Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Please, do not insult me.
I will insult you again and again until you do the needful. Stop disgracing yourself. I'm not ready to live here. Go and pay.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all.
Is anything the matter?
No, just that I've not heard from my son.
Neither have I seen him. And Ebere refused to call him. I've begged and begged, she refused to call him.
Hey, what happened to him?
No, nothing happened to him. Just that I've not heard from him in a long while. Neither have I seen him. Just, I'm worried. I need to hear from him and know how he's doing, whether he's well or not.
Mama Izog, do not worry. You know Izog is your son. But he does not care for you.
No, don't talk
like that. He
does
not care about you.
No, I said don't say anything like that. It does not matter at this point whether he cares or not. I'm a mother. He's my son. He's my only son. I should worry about him. I've not heard from him in a very long while now. And nobody's trying to understand. That's why I'm begging the Nebele to help me call him. He refused.
Don't worry. Don't worry yourself. I will call him for you. That will be when I come back. You know, I'm rushing to somewhere.
No. It's the handset. Now you have it in your pocket. Why don't you call him immediately?
I did not charge my phone. That is part of it. When I rush to that place I'm going, maybe I will charge it there. When I come back, you come. Come later in the day.
No problem. I will come. Natakwa sister, come back early. Okay. So that we can talk and talk well. Okay.
Why are you staring at me like that?
You are so beautiful. Like, you are so beautiful. I just can't take my eyes off you.
Thank you.
Every day you keep killing me, this beauty of yours.
You're so funny. Thank you. I still have money.
Okay, let me do this for you.
Sorry about that.
No, let me do it this time. Come on.
Oh, stop! Thank you.
You're welcome. Eat up, okay?
What is going on? Her phone is switched off. What is wrong with her? She just developed this attitude of leaving the house without telling me where she's going to. What has come over her? What is this? Why is Uncle calling me now? I don't just need this disturbance at all. I don't need it.
It's ringing. Oh, but he's not picking.
Maybe he's not close to where his phone is. Call him again, please. Call him again.
Don't just need disturbance at all.
The phone is still ringing, but he's not picking. You see, I have this feeling that he doesn't want to answer the phone.
Azuru, why are you talking like this? Is he fighting with you?
Call
him again. Call him.
I will call him. I will call him.
Don't talk like that now.
I will call him. 2 times now, he doesn't want to pick. Yeah. Switched off.
What?
He switched off his phone.
Azuru, why are you talking like that? It was ringing a while ago. Now he's switched off.
He switched it off before me.
This is a confirmation. Something is definitely wrong with his work. All is not well with that boy. But no. Now it has been confirmed. Hey! What is wrong with him?
Felicia. I will advise you to go home and relax. There is nothing wrong with your son, his work. He is well wherever he is.
I don't believe you.
Huh?
Everything you've been saying is right. But for this one you just said now, it's not right. I doubt it. Something is definitely wrong with his work. And that thing that is wrong, I'm going to find out what it is. I will. I will. His work. If a man, no.
I don't know what is wrong with your son. He doesn't want to pick phone. He switched it off. Maybe he knows. He knows why.
I don't want.
Vera, I am talking to you.
And you heard what I said.
You have no right to leave this house without telling me where you're going to.
Oh, please. I have every right to go wherever I like.
Not in this house. What is wrong with you?
No! Nothing is wrong with me. Rather, you are the one that something is wrong with. You are sick upstairs.
Vera, I've had enough from you.
What will you do? Beat me up? Go ahead! Try it! Beat me if you can.
Before I do that, I will complain to your parents. Then I'll beat you mercilessly.
You complain to my parents, he said. I laugh in Chinese language. Look at this one. You think my parents are happy that I'm here? Go ahead. Look at the road. Go and complain to them. Shameless, stingy, good for nothing man. Rubbish. I'll bring rubber for you. Get one else. That's what you're good at.
I've had enough of this rubbish. I have to investigate where she always goes to whenever she leaves this house. I think I've had enough. Bikobi, please, I need your help. Biko, I need to settle my landlord. I need some money from you.
It's all good. You know you're my very good friend.
I know.
My hands are pretty tight as I speak. Things are very bad for you. Things are pretty out of shape. There's no money.
Ikobi, I will pay you back.
One day, God, the law.
I will pay you back.
Listen, I'm not saying you're not going to pay me. I know you will pay me. You're my very good friend. But as it stands, there is no money. One day, you got the law.
It's okay. Let me start going. It's okay. Yeah.
It's just wait, eh? One day, who be trying to Mexico and about the war. That the war. But still, I don't know like 9 bad pass. But just keep everything. This is 10,000. Just manage it, bro.
Yeah.
Please, Don't pay back.
Thank you so much. At least this one can buy my baby milk.
Thank God.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're
Appreciate
welcome.
you. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Alright, it's okay.
Thank you.
Izogo, there is something I've been wanting to tell you.
Okay, what is it?
But my conscience will kill me if I don't tell you. You know you're my best friend.
Talk to me, what is it?
I think your darling wife is cheating on you.
Vera.
Yes, Vera is cheating on you. I think so. Listen, there is this young man I've been seeing now with all the time. I think they are doing Muife Rapata.
Wait. You mean Vera is seeing another man?
I'm not sure yet. Do you know what? Don't tell her anything or ask her anything yet until we are pretty sure about it, okay? Okay. Wow.
You are back already?
Yes, I told you I was not going to waste time.
That's good. So how is my daughter?
She's very fine. If you see her now, you will be so proud of her. She has changed.
That's good news. Did you meet the husband?
No, he was not at home. And I was so happy I didn't meet him.
I hope she is not the one feeding him.
Trust Vera. She is now dealing with him the way I want it.
Good. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah. Let's go in.
I did something special for you.
I can't wait.
I think your darling wife is cheating on you.
Vera.
Yes, Vera is cheating on you. I think so. Listen, there is this young man I've been seeing now with all the time. I think they are doing Muife Rapata.
Wait. You mean Vera is seeing another man?
I'm not sure yet. Do you know what? Don't tell her anything or ask her anything yet until we are pretty sure about it, okay?
So, I need you to take care of the baby. I want to take my bath.
Vera.
Yes? What is it?
Who is the guy that you've been seeing?
What kind of useless question is that?
I have it in my notice that you've been seeing a particular guy. Who is he?
Listen, I will not take it from you. One more accusation, I will report it to my father. Excuse me.
Heaven knows I tried to make it work, but it seems she never cared for me. Happiness is now a history. Tears and sorrow is what she gave to me. Heaven knows I tried to make it work, but it seems she never cared for me. Happiness is now a history. Tears and sorrow is what she gives to me. Wickedness, selfishness, heartless, that's what she gives. No happiness, only sadness and fallenness. Every day, wickedness, selfishness.
Who could have given? How did he know about him? Who could have given him such information? it. Is someone spying on me? Who could have given him such information? How? You called me.
Sit. It's almost 3 days to the landlord's deadline.
How is that my concern? I thought you called me here to tell me that you have gotten a new place.
I've decided we relocate to the village.
Huh? No. Come again.
I said we are relocating to the village.
You and who? Hey, Mama? Listen, Mr. Man, I am not going to the village with you. I will not.
Baby, see, we are not staying there forever. We'll still come back to the city once things get better.
I don't care. I will not go to the village with you. Look at this man, oh. How do you expect me to go? If it's a joke, just stop it, please. Stop it.
We'll still come back to the city.
I said I will not go to the village with you. Don't allow my parents to hear this. Village man.
Once things get better, we'll come back to the city.
Tears and sorrow is what she gave to me. Heaven knows I tried to make it work, but it seems she never cared for me. Happiness is now a history. Tears and sorrow.
He is senseless. Mom, what are you quarreling with?
Is it not that useless Izog that calls himself my daughter's husband?
What has he done?
Vera called me and said that Izog is planning on relocating them to the village.
What? Why?
That he could no longer pay the rent.
What is wrong with that man?
Oh. The one that is paining me most is that Vera is pregnant again.
Mom, are you trying to tell me that Vera got pregnant again for him?
3 months pregnant.
She shouldn't have done a thing like that.
And I wonder against it though. I wonder.
I can't believe this. But Mom, you know this is not possible. How is it possible for my own sister to go back to her husband's... No, Mom, that's not fair. To the village.
I will not allow that. I'm going there tomorrow to bring her and her baby here.
That's a nice one. What's wrong with that man called Izog?
Useless.
Thank you.
Anything for you, baby girl. Take care of you, okay?
You too.
Okay. I will call you when I get home, alright?
What's that?
Yes, what is it?
Who is that guy that just dropped you off?
Which guy?
The guy that just left.
Well, if you must know, he's my sister's friend. He offered to give me a ride. Anything wrong with that?
Vera, you're a big liar. You are a big liar. Your sister's friend, you said? But I saw what conspired between you and that guy.
What did you see?
You gave him a peck on his cheek. I saw it. I saw it, Vera.
Izogo, I will not take this. I will not take this from you, okay? Excuse me.
Hey! You're just lying on what I just saw. It's where I'm with. When kind of go here now, go small money. How much is the money? Now, can digit or 6 numbers for Guinea. How much is this money we are talking about? My name. Who are you?
Ikobi is asking who are you. It means that you can't recognize me.
This one. Man, look at you. Why are you looking like this? I can't get wink is one.
It's a long story. It's a long story.
My God, man, look at you.
It's a long story.
Man, what happened to you? Man, you're not looking good, bro.
Okay, it's a long story.
You know what? Just save it. Let's go to somewhere and discuss about this. Look at you. One. I'm so happy to see you. Look.
Thank you, my angels. How are you doing?
You're fine. He's a liar. I'm not fine.
You're not fine? What happened? Did Kose beat you?
No, I tell you, not beat her. Mommy refused to tell me where my daddy is. Will you tell me?
Yes, my princess. I will tell you, but first, let's go in. I bought something for the both of you. Let's go.
Remind me when I said I've not eaten since yesterday. Those are the engineer we worked for. I've not paid anybody.
Well, it's okay. You know you are like a brother to me. You owe me no explanation. In fact, eat. If this one is not okay, order for more.
I'm okay.
I like Auntie so much. She never hides us from us like Mom does.
Do you think she's going to tell us about our daddy?
She will.
She will not.
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 She will.
She will not tell us.
She will tell us.
She will not.
She will not.
She will not.
She will.
She will not.
She will not.
She will not.
What did you tell Auntie Cindy?
Yes, I told her I want to know about my daddy.
Don't say that to anybody in this house again. Is that clear?
Yes, Ma.
Now go inside. Both of you. I wonder what put such thoughts into her.
Mama, I now stay in one-room apartment. I came to your place after everything. I was told that you've left the town. 1 week after that, I lost my phone and every contact in it. Which I came to your place. They told me you've backed out.
What they told you is the truth.
So that is it, my brother.
You mean you're no longer with your wife?
I have not set my eyes on my kid. Even the second one, I've not seen him or her.
You don't know the sex of your baby.
My wife's phone stopped going after she left the house.
Have you tried to communicate with her?
Tikobi, let's not go into all that details. If I tell you what I'm passing through in the hands of my in-law, especially my mother-in-law, you'll be surprised.
God. Are you serious? Man, that's very bad. It's bad, Ojoka.
My in-laws denied me the access of seeing my own children.
Well, such is life, my brother. There is nothing the eye sees that to shed blood through the tears. So just be a man. Be a man.
The most annoying part of this whole thing is that I have not set my eyes on my mother for 7 years.
Are you serious?
Because of this. She warned me. She warned me so much about that family. I'm so ashamed of myself. Marrying a wife like my mate, is it a crime?
It's not a crime, my brother. Careful. You did the right thing. It's quite unfortunate. It's quite unfortunate. Don't worry, I'm going to solve it mine.
All is not well. I had a terrible dream about your brother last night. The way I saw him, I didn't like it. We can't continue to keep quiet. It's been 7 years he went missing. We've not heard or seen him.
Mama, all is well with him. Have I not been to the city to see him, only to discover that he has moved out of his apartment?
Don't talk like this, my daughter. I have this terrible feeling that all is not well, that something bad must have happened to him. Is that why his phone should not go?
Mama, Brother Izoku does not want us to know about his new home. To avoid disturbance, just like you usually call it. Or have you forgotten the kind of wife he has?
But why are you like this? We're not talking about one kind of stranger. It's about your brother. Your blood. In fact, you don't even have any other relation apart from him. Why are you like this?
It seems you don't even understand everything I'm trying to explain here.
What are you explaining? See, please. That your brother does not want us? Is that the reason his phone should be switched off? That his wife is a pest? Is that a reason for his phone to be switched off? That he doesn't want to help us or a reason for him to die? No! We're talking about your brother, your blood. Makes me worried a little. Just say something reasonable. Say how you're going to help to go look for him. You're talking like this. Look at your face. You're just showing different. This is not fair. Oh, this is not
Mama,
fair.
please. I have lots of work to do at the shop today. Please. I'll see you when I come back.
Why are you talking like this? Mama, I'll see you when I come back. Yeah? Hey. Hey. I'm going to see this one. I'm going to see this one. I'm going to see this one. It's okay. I'm going to help me now. Man, look what I'm meeting Jabba. I'm who will I tell this one? Who will I run to?
Who? Now who? Now who wants scatter my date? I dey come. Okay, I know they are. They come. This man. I beg, I dey come. What is it?
And who is that?
I beg, make you come carry your eyes here.
I should go and see who the person is.
Yes, now. Make una not say I don't commit another crime again.
Ah, okay.
Cindy.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Please, what do you want?
It's my madam.
She is not here.
Can you please allow me?
I just told you that my sister is not in.
Okay. Can I please see my kids? At least.
No. Wait here. Please lock this place.
Wait.
Okay, they don't tell you something you did.
Wait, Cindy.
Guess who is here?
Who?
Izuogo.
Izuogo? What is he doing here?
He said he came to see his wife.
Which wife? Where is he?
He's outside the gates. I told him that sister is not in.
Good. Where are the children?
They are upstairs.
Go upstairs and stay with them. Don't let them come downstairs.
All right, Mom.
What? Okay. What kind of nonsense is this? What is he doing here? I have told him to leave my daughter alone, that he's not welcome here on Abia. Eh? Okay.
Friend is taking time.
Yes, it will soon be here. After that, I'll make up for the next time. Just as a situation, you should be any minute.
Alright. Right.
My boo.
You're so sweet.
Oh. I'm not sweeter than you.
Vera.
Yes? Why are you pestering my life?
What are you doing? Vera, it's me, oh.
And so?
It's me, oh.
And so? Leave me alone. Maybe let's leave here. Let's go. Let's go.
Vera.
Young man, you heard the lady. Leave her alone. How do you survive?
Vera.
Stay there.
Vera, it's me, oh. Hey. Vera.
girl has left me for another man. She's the reason I'm in this condition. I've not been to the village for the past 7 years. All because I'm ashamed to face them. Me. A home is Yogu. A home is Zogu. A barrel pusher.
Selfishness, happiness, that's what she gives. No happiness, only sadness and fallenness. Every day, wickedness, selfishness and happiness is what she gives. No happiness, only bitterness and fallenness. Every day, heaven knows I try to make it work, but it seems she never cared for me. Happiness is now a history. Tears and sorrow is what she gives to me. Heaven knows I try to make it work, but it seems she never cared for me. Happiness is now a history. Tears and sorrow is what she gives to me. Wickedness, selfishness, happiness, that's what she gives. No happiness, only sadness and fallenness. Every day, wickedness, selfishness and happiness is what she gives. No happiness, only bitterness and fallenness. Every day.
What can I do for you?
I saw this thing, so I want to indicate my interest. I'm interested.
She say you can feed this can work.
Hey, now, what's in there now?
This your cap. She say you can feed you am.
What's it do my cap? I feel do.
Wait, I dey come. I tell my madam.
Okay.
Just sit down at the come.
It's okay.
You, girl. I know you looked for me everywhere. You need to see my beautiful house. I have been in Dubai for 3 years, girl. Yeah, Jane, hold up.
Madam, sorry. You get one tall man. We are around cap. Pay for side. He saying come for the notice. We for side.
Okay, let him in. So, Jane, you need. I made a lot of money, girl. Seriously. Girl, my house is so big with flowers and everything. Girl, no levels don't change. Not like I said before. You know what I mean? I swear down, girl.
Madam.
Okay, Jane, I'll have to talk to you later. Look, we have to do dinner, all right? Dinner on me. Yes! I'll call you, don't worry. I have a visitor. Yeah, okay, I'll talk to you later. All right. Okay, girl. You can go.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, hi. Why are you looking at me like that?
Hey. Lucy.
Do you know my name?
Lucy, is this you?
How did you know me?
Lucy, can't you recognize this face?
It's so good. What happened to you? What about your wife?
Lucy, can I talk? Can I tell you exactly what brought me here?
Okay, what brought you here?
Okay, it's about the vacancy I saw at the wall on your gate.
I'm sorry. that can't be possible. You can't be my gardener. Stop it. What brought you here? What really brought you here?
the vacancy.
Is it that bad? It's okay. Okay, come in. Let's talk. Smoke. Gardener, please come in.
Good afternoon. My name is Ebuka. I'm here because of this notice.
This notice?
Yes.
Bros, as it be like this now, person don't already come where they inside with my madam. We come for this notice. Yeah? I need the start work already. Yeah?
Hey, please. I need this job. I'm jobless. Please.
Yeah, okay, I know say you did jobless and you need the job. Yeah, but if I can't say you know there again. Yeah, if you walk down the next house, Noga Solo house, go there. The need person where they pump water or where they on gen. You dey get me? If you go there, apply, they go accept you, yeah?
Please. Please. I don't have a work. I'm a jobless man. I don't have a work. I don't have anything I'm doing for now. Please. Can you help me?
Okay,
I really need this job.
Okay. Okay, I said
I
look
will
like
do
this
it
now.
perfectly.
I said look like this now. You know deaf. You dey talk well. You dey hear me sound and clear. Work, you know dey for here again. Go down after the 3 building Oga Solo own. Go there, go apply. Work no dey for here again. And you dey hear me so, baby.
I
No
understand,
dey.
but please. I don't have anything I'm doing.
No
I'm
stand,
a
they tell me
jobless.
please. Rotate
Please,
like this. Rotate.
Please.
They go. Work no dey.
Please.
Tell me please. Where you from? Factory is look for work. I never know say I go do again. Vacancy no dey. Next building na Oga Solo house. Go pump water for am.
Please help me.
Tell me please stand. Please. As this is just there and I don't dey cause plenty problem, but plenty people don dey come. Person go come, they be like deaf and dumb. Please. I don't comot you like this. You won't go. Please. What you doing? Please.
This is Lucy's house. Wonders shall never end. She said she has been abroad for like 3 years. Young girl like this, doing this. She's not a big girl.
Hey. Here. Use that to clean yourself up. Get new clothes. Go to the salon. Clean up your beards. Basically just look good. I promise. I will restore your glory. I'll make you a man again. I promise.
Lucy, thank you so much. May God bless you. Lucy, thank you.
Amen. Listen, You see, I still want you. Despite your hardship. Look, I want to ravish you. I want to take care of you. Just give me a chance, okay?
Let's not talk about this.
I am not talking about it. You know how much I cherish you. You know how much I've always wanted you, even when you were not married. Like.
Listen, stop this. Stop this. Stop it.
What is your problem? Look, I've longed for a day like this. A day to.
Stop it. You have to stop this.
What is your problem? You are a married man. What has that gotten you into? Look at you. Your wife has useless you. She has eaten all your money and left you useless. Left you to nothing. Ridiculed you as a man. You still talking about your wife. Your wife. What has she done to you? What is your problem? I mean, take a good look at me. Am I not sexy enough? Am I not ravishing enough?
Just stop it, okay? No matter what Vera must have done, I still love her. Vera is my wife. I still love her. All I want from you is your help. I want you to help me, please.
You still love her, and you want me to help you.
See.
No, I just want to know. Look at you. Just take a good look at yourself. Your wife has useless you. You are nothing. You're just like a. You're a fool at 40. And a fool at 40 is a fool forever. Oh yes! I am here giving myself to you, giving my sexy self to you. What do I get? Rejection, isn't it? Now, keep my money and get out of my house. Keep my money and get out of my house. I don't want to repeat myself. Don't make me repeat myself. Izuogu. Just in case you change your mind. You know where to find me. Tell us about that.
Yes, tell us.
Okay, I will tell you. His name is Izuoku. He's tall, like Cindy. Cindy, what is the meaning of this? What are you telling my children?
Mom, she was telling us about our daddy.
You, shut your mouth. Vera, why are you shouting? Yes, why are you shouting? What have I done? You are very stupid and senseless to ask me that stupid question. Huh? What were you telling them? Why are you so wicked, Cindy? I thought you were sensible. Oh, no, Vera, I won't take that. Please, that is an insult. I won't take it. Else, what? What will you do? What will you do? Don't insult me again. What will you do? Vera, did you just slap me? You want to hit me back? You want to hit me back? Try it. Vera, if not that you are my elder sister, I will slap you back. Go on, try it. Try it. Don't try this again. Don't you ever try it again. Me. I'm going to break your head. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Just try it next time. I'm going to break your head. Try it. Look at this idiot. You're coming to challenge me, idiot. Rubbish. Both of you go inside. Go back. Take these glasses. Take it inside. Can you imagine? Warn Cindy. Warn her.
What has she done?
Mother, this is not the first nor the second time she's doing this. I want her to stop telling my children about Izo, but she wouldn't listen. She's stepping on my toes, Mom. Warn her.
What is it? Eh? What is it, Seth?
Huh? What is it?
Will you shut up?
Mom, you needed to see the way she embarrassed me in front of her children. Eh? What did I even tell them? Talk to her, Mom. Talk to her. Tell Mom what I told your children. You see the way she shouted? She's actually shouting at me. Vera, I don't know what I've done to you in this household. I don't know.
Can you two just keep quiet? Keep quiet, let me understand what is going on here.
Mom, ask Vera here why she keeps attacking me each time she sees me with her children. Am I the reason you left your husband's house?
What?
Stop! Eh? Come and touch me!
Vera,
come and touch me!
Vera, sit.
Try it! Come and touch me!
Sit. I don't want to hear anything from you again. Is that clear?
Yes, Mom.
Is this not Ebere's brother? What happened to him? No, I don't think he's the one. I need to be sure before I say what... I need to be sure.
After the whole toiling of the day, after giddy, after gada, this is what I got. Not even up to 2,000. Not even up to 2,000 naira. For how long will I continue like this? For how long? I've not even eaten. Maybe I'm trying to save money. Not even an orange entered my mouth today because I'm trying to save money. Yeah? Will I continue like this? What is this? This is Lucy's house. Wonders shall never end. She said she has been abroad for like 3 years. Young girl like this, doing this. She's not a big girl.
Hey. Here. Use that to clean yourself up. Get new clothes. Go to the salon. Clean up your beards. Basically just look good. I promise. I will restore your glory. I'll make you a man again. I promise.
Lucy,
thank you so much. May God bless you. Lucy, thank you.
Amen. Listen, you see, I still want you. Despite your hardship. Look, I want to ravish you. I want to take care of you. Just give me a chance, okay?
Let's not talk about this.
I am not talking about it. You know how much I cherish you. You know how much I've always wanted you, even when you were not married. Like.
Listen, stop this. Stop this. Stop it.
What is your problem? Look, I've longed for a day like this. A day to.
Stop it. Please, you have to stop this.
What is your problem? You are a married man. What has that gotten you into? Look at you. Your wife has useless you. She has eaten all your money and left you useless. Left you to nothing. Ridiculed you as a man. You still talking about your wife. Your wife. What has she done to you? What is your problem? I mean, take a good look at me. Am I not sexy enough? Am I not ravishing enough?
Just stop it, okay? No matter what Vera must have done, I still love her. Vera is my wife. I still love her. All I want from you is your help. I want you to help me, please.
You still love her, and you want me to help you.
See.
No, I just want to know. Look at you. Just take a good look at yourself. Your wife has useless you. You are nothing. You're just like you're a fool at 40. And a fool at 40 is a fool forever. Oh yes! I am here giving myself to you, giving my sexy self to you. What do I get? Rejection, isn't it? Now, keep my money and get out of my house. Keep my money and get out of my house. I don't want to repeat myself. Don't make me repeat myself. He's welcome. Just in case you change your mind. You know where to find me.
Ijogu, there is nothing wrong in what I just told you now. This woman is your mother. You've not seen her or spoken with her for 7 good years.
I know.
You need to go and see her.
I know. My mother is alright. She's fine.
Are you sure? How did you know?
I'm not here to argue with you.
Oh. When I was in past, you're not angry because I told you the truth,
Wait. Ikobi, tell me, what have you ever done for me since I'm in this condition as your friend? Apart from taking me to the bar, then some money. Now, money. Eh?